skill assessment form, which is a rubric, to complete the nutritional counseling assignment. I'm sorry I was unable to meet with you today. I'm on my way to Alaska in order to pursue some of my favorite hobbies. A little background for you. As the prevention specialist, a dental hygienist must be knowledgeable about the etiology of dental diseases and ways to prevent those various diseases. One of the most successful forms of prevention is through proper diet. Throughout the dental hygiene program, students build their knowledge related to nutritional counseling from introduction of concepts to application of knowledge in a clinical setting. In order for us to truly grade this, we have to have standardized forms and rubrics in order to keep track of their learning and make sure that they're progressing towards the end goal. Students were introduced to dietary counseling fall semester of junior year in a course called Preventive Dentistry. At this time, students are introduced to the dietary counseling assignment through course lectures. During an in-class activity, the students complete the nutritional counseling on a class partner. This assignment includes
additional course assignments related to nutritional counseling, including analyzing a student partner's 5-day food diary and creating a nutritional counseling plan individualized for that student. As students move through the assignment, the class is engaged in an active discussion about the topic. The students also demonstrate in small groups how to fill out the required counseling forms. After this, students will enter into the clinic to begin clinical practice with real patients. At this time, nutritional counseling is not required of the students, but analyzing dietary habits are part of the patient assessment process.
During fall semester of senior year, students apply the skills they learned in preventive dentistry and practice in clinic to a fictitious standardized case study patient. The students analyze the fictitious diet to assess for nutritional concerns related to dental health. In class, the students will role-play, discuss, and appraise one another's dietary assessment and recommendations to improve their own skills. The use of a standardized patient allows faculty to assess the student's knowledge of the dietary counseling process, the student's knowledge of the etiology of disease, and the clinical assessment skill set. Lastly, during spring semester of senior year, right before graduation, the students complete at minimum one dietary counseling assessment on a real clinical patient at the IUSB Dental Hygiene Clinic. The students use the knowledge introduced in practice in previous semesters to construct a dietary plan to improve someone's actual oral health. During a clinical session, students are observed to assess their skills related to obtaining consent for treatment, assessment of the patient, identifying carcinogenic exposures, their ability to determine form and frequency of foods, to make evidence-based dietary recommendations, and to communicate appropriately with the patient. Each of these skills is broken down into subcategories on the skill assessment form. Skills are broken down into subcategories. We know that on the nutritional taxonomy is a difficult process, especially when we have human interaction being one of the main variables that we're trying to assess. So we have to remember that we're trying to move from remembering and understanding of information to applying and analyzing to eventually having our students successfully evaluate and create due to the variability of the human experience. In the program, we have standardized the grading forms. The forms are used for the entirety of the program, regardless of what level the students are. This allows the students to focus on the skills to be learned and applied, as opposed to spending time trying to understand the difference between assignment requirements between each semester. This level of transparency allows faculty to be calibrated throughout the entire program. It also allows students to understand what is expected of them as practicing dental hygienists from the start of their time in the dental hygiene program throughout their entire career. The standardized forms that are provided to the students consist of the grading rubric, which we call a skill assessment form. We also have the assignment instructions or guidelines. The guidelines include the purpose and intent of the assignment as well as the directions. In addition to standardizing the counseling guidelines as well as the grading rubric for the assignment, we've also standardized the dietary counseling assessment forms, including the 5-day food diary, the form and frequency analysis, and the diet daily activity assessment sheet. We've also standardized the recommendations sheet as well. In summary, our calibrated faculty assess variable human interaction and communication through assignments threaded throughout the curriculum. These assignments use standardized forms that allow students to be introduced, practice, and master skills that are otherwise too variable to quantify for grades. Thank you for allowing me to explain to you one of the ways that we use a creative toolkit to help our students succeed.